everybody, it's Renari. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. We are checking out ATEEZ's comeback. I'm a couple of days late. We are into the new year. So on this new album, we had a couple of different versions of songs that we've heard before. And then we have an outro, I think is the new thing. I'm looking it up right now. We have Halazia. I don't know. And then we have Outro Bluebird. As well as Win with June 1, which I cannot wait to fucking hear. I'm the One, Edenary remix, sounds amazing, and Take Me Home, Idiotape remix, another Take Me Home. I can't get mad at all these Take Me Home versions. So in this video, I think what we'll do is Halazia and Outro Bluebird, because those are the two new ones, so we'll get those done. I've heard nothing but fucking good things. Not only nothing but good things, but people are saying this is their best song ever. That's what a lot of people said about Gorilla. And Gorilla is definitely my favorite ATEEZ song, I think. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. And if you guys are just finding my channel, you can do these things to be able to keep up with me. Okay, so they also performed it. So there's a performance video thing. Oh, this is a teaser. You know what? I'm just going to get right into it. I'm just going to get right into it. I am terrified. Okay. There's a lot of lore stuff, obviously. Let's just go. Let's just go. Hi. Halazia. Oh, Be the Light, Halazia? Is that their new... Is Halazia their new... I don't know, not government, not country, but the new world. Is that what we're calling it? That's dope. I like that. Woo! Oh, sorry, we don't get a Son Woo-young dynamic this soon. This soon in the MV. It's usually ends. It's cool. Oh, I want to see this stand practice. The little bluebird that lost his voice. What? Yes, what the fuck is your voice? I thought it was just one line we were getting in that voice. So deep. Oh my god. Oh my... What? Somewhat freaks me out in this world. What's happening? Ooh. Ooh. Oh! Sorry, that fucking goes hard. After that drop, that fucking goes hard. What? That beat is so much faster than how they're singing. Ooh! Shut the... You just fucking... There's no laughter. It's just... Where was my Hongju morning? Pet! Mingy sounds. Oh no, it's not as gritty as normally I'm used to for him. Interesting. Are we adding all the members here? Fucking your song. Oh my god, so what's this one doing? This fucking it's killing it. There's so much happening. We might have to do this again. Oh my god, the popping. There we go. Whoa, the flag falling just at the same point. I turned off. Listen, she's distracted. Woo! Oh, I love that. Yes, break it down. Woo! Done. Oh my god. What the fuck? You okay? What? Wait. What? If that isn't the creepiest thing ever, okay. Who the fuck are you? Fuck? What? Well, I feel like I have no words because I don't know what's happened. One more time. One more time. I want to do the performance too, but... Also, okay, I guess I could talk about the song now because I need to like see what the fuck happened. The song feels very ATEEZ to me. It's very comforting ATEEZ because it feels like what I know their sound to be. Like they always have things that switch up, but this feels like ATEEZ, and I love that. Is it for me their absolute best song in their discography? No, I don't think anything's beating Gorilla right now. It's really good. It's really fucking good. But yeah, like I love it, but I'm sure I'll fucking love it the more and more I listen to it because it has so much going on in it. I'm an idiot. I'm dumb. That song. Oh my god, what choreo is that? Was that in Gorilla? No, maybe it's older than that. Jesus Christ. When I can picture it. I could picture the exact moment he does that. I think it's Gorilla, but it might be older. You know what I'm talking about. I love those outfits, the white ones. See, you know, especially confuses the shit out of me, because what's happening there? Is that like, they took down the moon, right? And then it kind of started raining at the end. But then if you take the moon away, that would mean there's like no gravity. So is that what's happening? Is that like, I don't, you know, you confuse me. You are fucking break now. Your song makes a song. I love, oh god, so good. Yes. Oh, the choreo fucking eats though. This might be one of my favorite choreos by them. That's interesting now. Let me be real, essentially. And the semicolons there, I assume, are implying the conversation here between the two of them. So fucking cool. Oh, he looks so good. Ugh. Oh my god. They're out to fucking kill with this one. Or maybe it is one of their best songs. Oh, I don't know. It's already growing on me a lot. It's just like perfect ATEEZ. Perfect ATEEZ. They've done what they do and did it better. Oh my god, so cool. The fucking cinematography for that scene. You guys are gonna have to explain things to me. I don't know who the fuck these people are, because I thought it was maybe members of ATEEZ, but long hair. No one with long hair right now. No one ever had that long, I don't think. I don't know who you guys are. I can't zoom in. I don't think it matters. Okay. The fucking, I was about to say, the fucking views on this thing. They hit 10 million in like 6 hours or something. Like, I swear to God, I was going through like my Twitter feed and it just dropped. And then a second later when I check, it's fucking 10 million. That's insane. This might not have lyrics, but let's do outro Bluebird. Okay. Yeah, we can. I was about to fucking say, what the fuck, the wailing on the guitar. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I like that, how all the instruments kind of went away for a second. It feels like an alternative instrumental for the end part of Halazia. Oh, I love that. You know what I also love? I love that they put this out right before 2023, like right before the new year, because this is the new world now. Now we're stepping into clearly a new era where things have changed. We're not like fighting anymore necessarily. We've won, maybe, in some aspects. I don't know if we fully won, but... That's supposed to be like a scream, or was that just really high? I agree with this person. It's a long outro though. For it just being instrumental, that's pretty long. Oh, that itched the right spots, you know what I mean? Okay, so the performance, right? On NBC. It's this, the music festival. Oh, okay. It is going to be blocked 100%. 100%. But we're going to watch it. And then we're going to watch dance practice. Okay, so I apologize if this is temporarily small. Gotta do what a girl gotta do. The more cult is this. Okay, this is more culty than it needed to be. Oh man. Nice throw. We're getting rid of all the hats one by one. No, we're just... Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Hong Jun just killed the leader. What the fuck? The fire. I oh, so I was wondering if it would be an actual choreo. Son, you're fucking... But your back. I've seen so much of this man's back. Yes. Yes! Ah. Birthmark being on full display, this comeback, thank you, it's been too long. Yes! Ugh. They're blending so many eras together, I can't. Look at your song hit that. Like Demon Line, what? Sorry, are you what's happening? Ooh. I think your song's ready to join Demon Line. I don't know. Woo! I fucking love this. I love choreo when it splits off into like pairs or trios, or like from the main group they split off. Why did you make me squeal? Oh, it's fucking... I can't with their facial expressions. Ricky, please. Oh my god. The to fucking Ouyang for the dance break is so good. Ah. That's a performance fucking song. That's a performance anthem. I know I already have it open, but Jesus. All right. The water bottle? Is that your hat? No. Why is the water bottle there? So clean. Hongjoong's freaking shorts, I can't. They're so flowy. I'm already tired for them. That was already enough. That's so cunty. That move. Jongho's dancing a lot in this. Like, I know I'm saying that as a person who loves Jongho's dancing so much and knows it's underappreciated. He's dancing a lot in this, like, a lot of the energetic parts don't have the high notes that we're kind of used to. And I love to see it. And him being in this trio. Everything. Ooh. Ugh. That looked really good. Oh my god, Oh, that looks so pretty. So good. They're so fast as fuck. Calm down. Oh, That pause for Uyang to do that. I didn't really notice in the performances, but it's like a full pause. So good. ATEEZ doing it again. We already who's actually surprised here? No one's actually surprised. Just impressed, as you should be. Okay, thank you so much for joining me for ATEEZ's comeback. We will be back probably for the rest of the album because I am really curious and I'd love to experience it with you guys. So I will see you guys then.